Hey there! Let's talk about something really important: sexual satisfaction and understanding the female orgasm. Now, I know this topic can feel a little awkward, but trust me, the more we talk about it, the better our experiences can be. So, let's get into some simple but powerful tips to make intimacy more enjoyable for you and your partner. First things first, talk about it. So many people feel shy about discussing their desires, but communication is what takes good sex to great sex. If something feels amazing, say it. If something doesn't, speak up. You can ask simple questions like, "Do you like this?" Or, "What turns you on the most?" And if you're not sure what you like, that's okay too. Exploring together is part of the fun. One mistake people make is rushing. But great sex isn't about speed, it's about connection. Foreplay is everything. A slow kiss, a soft touch, teasing, smooching, touch her hair, caress her boobs. These things build excitement and make the experience even more intense. Especially for women, anticipation is key. Make her long for your touch. Make every next move a suspense. Don't just rush to penetration. So, take your time and enjoy the moment. Now, let's talk about the female orgasm. A lot of people assume that penetration alone does the trick, but here's the truth. Most women need clitoral stimulation to reach orgasm. The clitoris has over 8,000 nerve endings, more than anywhere else on the body. So tell me why you're not paying attention to that juicy spot. A lot of men don't spend time to explore their women's body. If you want to maximize pleasure, focus on foreplay. Gently caress the clitoris in different moves. Circular moves, up and down motion, just get creative and read her body language to know which move she enjoys more. Massage the vulva with your fingertips and also with your penis. Spend as much time as possible playing with the clit. You can switch things up by gently penetrating with your fingers at intervals, but that should be when she is really wet. Don't get fast yet. Continue with the rhythmic motion. Trust me, these things makes a girl tremble at every touch. Feeling safe and relaxed plays a huge role in sexual satisfaction. If someone is stressed, insecure, or just not in the mood, it's much harder to enjoy intimacy. So, set the mood, dim the lights, put on some music, create a space where you both feel comfortable. And most importantly, make sure your partner feels heard, respected, and desired. And finally, keep things exciting. Try new positions: bedroom, kitchen, on the couch. You know, spice things up. And don't be boring. Exploring different sensations, even changing locations, can bring a fresh spark. But remember, sex isn't just about the orgasm. It's about connection, pleasure, and having fun together. If you're both enjoying the moment, that's what really matters. So to wrap it up, communicate, take your time, focus on what feels good, and make sure both of you feel comfortable and connected. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real, honest talks about sex, relationships, and wellness. See you next time.